Here he is. Hey, buddy. Hey. You say hi to everybody? Huh? Oh, what a good boy. You say hi. See, he waved to everybody he knows. My son is very intelligent. See, he's waving again. That's what he's doing. That's what he does. So say hi, Jimmy. Oh, he's a little tired. We just did tummy time. He's a little tired. Yeah. Isn't he so cute? My boy is so cute. He's a little cutie. Little cutie. Little whoop whoop whoop. Yeah. Yeah, look how cute you are. Look how cute you are. That's Jimmy, everybody. Say hi, Jimmy. Wave for us one more time. Wave for us one more time. Yeah, that's my buddy. That's my buddy. Say we love you all. Bye.